Want to dress like this? But you don't know where to start? I'm here to guide you through that. In this video, we'll explore the origin and definition of the grunge aesthetic, provide you with a comprehensive guide on assembling your grunge wardrobe, along with a guide to makeup, and share some websites where you can purchase essential clothing pieces. Let's dive in. The grunge aesthetic emerged in the 1990s as a subculture rooted in alternative rock music. Bands like Nirvana, Pearl Jam, and Soundgarden were iconic figures of the grunge movement, influencing not only music but also fashion. The grunge aesthetic is characterized by its rebellious and nonconformist attitude, often embracing a mix of casual, oversized, and layered clothing. This aesthetic is all about embracing individuality and a laid-back, effortless style. Here are more examples of this style. Next up, how to build grunge wardrobe. Color palette. The color palette of the grunge aesthetic typically consists of muted, earthy tones and darker hues, reflecting a moody and edgy vibe. Olive green, burgundy, charcoal gray, navy blue, and black capture the essence of the grunge style. By wearing these deeper hues, you can further enhance the look you're striving for. Fundamental pieces. To start creating our grunge wardrobe, let us first introduce the key components that will help you build your style. Pants. Black cargo pants, washed baggy jeans, and ripped jeans. Shirts and sweaters. 1 graphic baby tee, 2 long sleeve shirts, 3 oversized shirts, and 2 oversized sweaters. You should also consider investing into a black leather jacket. Tune in, as later in the video, we will provide you with accessories that can drastically improve the look of your outfits. When buying grunge-style clothes, it's important to avoid certain pieces to ensure that you achieve an authentic and cohesive look. Here are some things to avoid. Overly trendy pieces that may not fit the enduring appeal of the grunge style, excessive brand logos, overly distressed clothing, mismatched aesthetics, overly perfect or polished pieces, and ill-fitting clothing. Textures. Denim, knitwear, leather, cotton, and plaid are examples of various textures that contribute to the grunge aesthetic's rugged and laid-back look. When developing your grunge style, it's essential to avoid certain textures that may not align with this aesthetic. Examples of that would be lace, velvet, silk, as well as glitzy and sparkly materials, as they are too bright and glossy for the grunge style, which values a more distressed and worn-in appearance. Accessories. Adding accessories to your outfit elevates your appearance and helps you further express your style. Here are some accessories that work well with the grunge aesthetic. Leather chokers, fishnet and ripped tights, rings, chunky metal chains, studded belts, beanies, combat boots, and sneakers. Makeup. For the grunge aesthetic, makeup is generally basic yet edgy, complementing the overall feeling of casual rebellion and uniqueness. Here are some essential parts of grunge-inspired makeup. Smudged eyeliner. Create a lived-in look by applying eyeliner to the top and lower lash lines and gently smudging it with a smudger brush or your fingertip for a little untidy, grungy finish. Dark, smoky eyes. Create a smoky eye look using black, charcoal, or deep brown eyeshadow. To achieve a smudged grunge impression, blend the eyeshadow around the crease and outer corner of the eye. Bold brows. Use a brow pencil or powder to create bold, defined brows that frame the face. Aim for a slightly disheveled appearance with natural, airy strokes. Muted lip colors. To complement the grunge look, choose muted, earthy lip colors such as nude, brown, or deep berry. Nail polish. Black nail polish serves as the perfect finishing touch, adding a bold and rebellious edge to the grunge aesthetic. Experiment with different techniques and products to find a grunge makeup style that reflects your personal preferences. In this segment, we'll look at the top websites for purchasing grunge-inspired clothing and accessories. Here is the list of websites where you can purchase grunge-inspired clothing. Romwe. Shane. Boohoo. Be sure to check out your local thrift stores, as they offer a variety of grunge clothing to choose from. Remember to exercise caution and diligence while making purchases from these websites. Whether you're looking for vintage band tees, layering flannel shirts, or wearing chunky combat boots, remember that confidence is essential for pulling off any outfit. Until next time, be effortlessly cool and flaunt that grunge vibe. Thank you for watching.